If you're in need of an ERP for your small business, ERPNext has been the one that I've landed on. We could scroll through here. We can see there's a live demo. I got this pulled up right here. It's a really simple, modern UI. Tons of different tabs. They have HR apps you can add in, payroll, manufacturing. You can manage your inventory and whatnot through here. Support. There's a ton of different things that you can do and set up on here. And my favorite part is that it's open source and self-hosted. They have a great amount of documentation. They actually have something called Frappe School, where you can go and watch a bunch of different tutorial videos on how the software works. That way, once you have it installed, you can get a general understanding of actually how to use the software. Scroll down here, and we can go ahead. I'm going to do Docker on Docker Desktop. So we're going to take this first command here. We're going to open up Docker Desktop, and we're going to go ahead and make sure we have Git installed. We're going to go ahead and paste the git clone command here, the repository from GitHub. All right. Our next command will be going to the container or the file path. Next, we're going to run docker compose. We'll let this run. And just like that, it's installed. So we're going to go ahead and click the down arrow here. We can see all the different containers running underneath of Frappe Docker. And the next step would be to go back to the documentation. We can see our username will be administrator with capital A and our password admin. We can go to a new tab and go to localhost 8080. Put our username and our password, log in. And now we can go through the setup guide. So you can enter your language, enter my time zone here, your currency, and your country.